Hello everyone, Dr. Susan Brown at the Center for Better Bones. Have you ever been driving along the highway straight ahead, having a great time, and then all of a sudden you hit a detour? Darn, but you hit a detour. But then when you took the detour, you discovered that that detour led you to beautiful new vistas, a new scene you've never seen, and more greater possibilities. Well, this is exactly what happened to our team. For years, I have taught individuals how to develop their own Better Bones, Better Body program. We have given retreats, in-person retreats that were really wonderful retreats where we taught every step of the Better Bones, Better Body program. We had all kinds of materials that we offered people. We had a lot of interaction. They were wonderful retreats. We loved them. Then came COVID. That was our detour. And we realized we couldn't do the in of the program. We were able to work with individuals through extensive question and answers. We had a wonderful computer platform due to our high-tech staff here, and we were able to constantly interact with clients. I had 7 members of our team there answering every single question that came up, interacting with all the participants. We had breakout groups were terrific that people got to share their perspectives, develop their step-by-step program within these small groups, and my staff was able to pop into the groups, and you were able to meet my staff and myself as well. All in all, it was better than we had expected. It was a beautiful educational experience, and actually the attendees loved it, and so did we. And really, because of that detour, our team and myself personally in particular have modified my vision of what is possible. It is now clearly my goal to offer to every single individual in the world who is interested in improving their bone health, to offer them everything that I've learned over the last 40 years. I've seen far too much fear-mongering around the issue of osteoporosis, far too much disempowerment, particularly of women. And I want to show everybody who cares about it that there's many things they can do. There's a systematic program they can do to build bone strength and at the same time to maximize all of their health. So it's not just doing something for bone that's going to damage the rest of the body. So it's my commitment that we're going to offer these retreats on a frequent basis. The next one is coming up in September. So here's the notice. September, save the date, the 23rd to the 26th. The online retreat, it will be all video recorded. You'll have that recording forever, and you will be invited to join our Facebook community and all of our blogs, all our social media, all the efforts we do to keep that community alive and to keep your program for building bone health alive forever. It's a lot of fun. We have a whole new scope. I'm grateful for that detour. And I'd just like to remind you once again that no one cares about your health as much as you do, and no one has the ability to alter the trajectory of your long-term health as much as you do. So if you want to take charge and step up to the bat, join us September 23rd to the 26th online. We hope to see you there.